There are lies, damn lies, and then there are statistics.
You are now listening to Surelgar MD.
So MD, top 3 reasons why AI is way overhyped. Number 3 reason, AI just isn't that good. All right, AI algorithms are already out there. Are they good? I just got a really interesting email from LinkedIn the other day telling me about some job opportunities that I may want to check out. Turns out that LinkedIn thinks that I'm either an ICU nurse manager or a hospitalist. Now, I was going to elaborate more on this, but really, what else is there to say? Number 2, AI is really a euphemism for statistics. And here's what I know about statistics. There are lies, damn lies, damn lies, and then there are statistics. A lot of AI deals with the field of statistical modeling. All right? You have a plot of data, X versus Y, and you're looking for a pattern to emerge within that data. Basically, can some variation of X predict some variation in Y? All right? You're trying to write an equation that describes this relationship, and then you use that equation to create predictions. That's the artificial intelligence we're talking about. It's the prediction capability gleaned from statistical analysis, far less compelling than the machines in Terminator 2. Researchers are looking at statistical models that can help with pneumonia diagnosis on chest x-ray. They're assuming that the diagnosis of pneumonia is dependent on certain imaging variables present on the film. All right? Here's the kicker. There is absolutely no way of knowing which different variables that a radiologist uses to make a diagnosis of pneumonia. All right? So for example, there are 100 reasons I might make a diagnosis of pneumonia on a chest x-ray. One might be that the previous radiologist described pneumonia, so I keep that diagnosis going. Another might be that I actually check the electronic chart and see that the patient is actively being treated for pneumonia, so I diagnose pneumonia based on that. Another might be that there's a recent chest CT that clearly shows me the pneumonia, and the chest x-ray seems to correlate with that finding, so I diagnose it. That's just a handful, right? There might be 100 other reasons that I diagnose pneumonia on that chest x-ray. All of these reasons or variables have to be mapped out in a statistical model. There are 2 ways of running the numbers. One is the hard way, where you handpick each variable and graph it out. These graphs get really complicated and cannot be visually represented on a single sheet of paper. You literally have to construct this in 3D space. The easy way is you just take all the data, shove it in a computer, and see what it spits out. The only problem is you have absolutely no reason why the computer came up with a diagnosis that it did. Bottom line, even to diagnose something as seemingly simple as pneumonia on a chest x-ray, we have to spend lots of man-hours creating these complex statistical models that can never be reliably compared to the accuracy of a board-certified radiologist. So why are we doing it? Number 1, if AI, or as I like to call it, statistics, was really a compelling idea, we would have had some usable product by now. So I'm calling out the industry. AI, where were you guys? All right? As a radiologist, we've been needing help for years. We've been reading 100 plus cases a day for years. All right? I work in a practice, and everything we do in relation to image interpretation is done the old school way. All right? I label all my lumbar spine MRIs by hand. I count all my lung nodules by hand. I have to stare hard to find subtle subdural hematomas on head CT. We go through stacks and stacks of plain films only to diagnose that one subtle tibial plateau fracture in a stack of hundreds. There have been so many opportunities to use basic computer science to help radiologists over the years, and the first movement in the field was an idea that the entire field of radiology could be replaced. I think the more that the researchers actually study what radiologists do, they'll see that there's almost no way that an AI can do what a radiologist can do. Radiology is a difficult field. We make a lot of difficult decisions with imperfect information. We use a lot of gut feeling. All right? There's a lot of, I'm not sure what I'm looking at, but I'm going to do my best anyways. That's what radiology is. Let's call AI what it really is, statistics. And what needs to be said about statistics has already been said. I'm Surelgar MD. Thanks for watching.